My name is Michael Bernstein, and today we're reacting to TikTok dropshipping advice.
Stop dropshipping. It doesn't work. It's over. It's dead. And here's why. Customers hate dropshipping. They think it's a scam. They hate getting shipped crappy products from AliExpress. Platforms realize this too. That's why they're cracking down on scammy dropshippers and banning them from their platforms. And guess what? Payment processors are doing this too. PayPal and Stripe will hold your money up to 180 days. I've heard horror stories about people's money being taken away like that. But worst of all, your customers will abandon you. They won't get their product and they'll charge back within weeks. So instead, ask yourself this. Would you buy your own product?
First of all, the comments on the video. Made 2K yesterday. 9K in 1 week with TikTok ads, bro. Totally dead. To say dropshipping is dead is like saying people don't shop online anymore. Literally everything on Amazon is dropshipped. Made 3K in January off one product, definitely not that. Tell me you never dropshipped without telling me you're never dropshipped. 57K in 2 weeks. Damn. His audience is doing good, huh? Well, first of all, I don't believe half of these comments. Max, 2 of them even made money. But besides that, his points are kind of valid. The points he's making are right. Those things are problems in dropshipping, but it's not like they're unfixable. About bad product quality, you can definitely have good product quality with the right suppliers. You can get around Facebook blogs, for example, with having good agency account structures, having multiple accounts, having all of those things in place, having good customer support so people don't complain, also having faster shipping times with private agents to not get blocked on Shopify payments, on PayPal. All of those things are manageable, but they're problems. So he's right that those problems exist, but he's completely wrong that dropshipping doesn't work because those problems exist. And in fact, all those problems are the reason why dropshipping does work. Because without all of those problems, it would be so easy to do dropshipping that everybody would do it and then it would get oversaturated and nobody would make it work anymore. So those things are literally the reason why dropshipping is alive. And the last point he made was, would you buy from your store yourself? Probably the worst question you can ever ask yourself, because your opinion doesn't matter. Your personal opinion is not one of the criteria of what a good product is. Hey, I like this product, let me sell it because I like it. I don't like this product, let me not sell it. That's literally out of the equation, because if you don't have a dog, you're not going to buy a dog product. And even if you're in the audience and in the niche, the product is not going to appeal to everybody.
Exposing the #1 mistake dropshipping beginners make. They try and sell products like this that can't be sold for more than $30 max. As much as you think these products are desirable because they're cheap, it's actually the exact opposite. They look like cheap quality products, which turns people off. Another thing is when you're selling something for $30 and you're running ads to get sales, after your dropshipping costs and your shipping costs, you don't have any room to really spend on advertising, so you end up losing money.
I mean, play the clip.
Made almost 400K a month and over 100K profit.
Show us your average order value per second.
Average order value is 25. 105K profit.
That was one of my students selling a low ticket item. He was talking about profit, by the way, 100K profit in one single month. I mean, let's play another one.
So yeah, like you're up to 60K for November, which is another good month.
By the way, I'm going to link these hour-long interviews here just so you guys know that it's real. Now, coming back to the point, low ticket versus high ticket, what is better? There is no clear answer to this, and it really depends on what your budget is. If your budget is not the highest, I would honestly recommend testing lower ticket items because you're going to get the results so much faster, either positive or negative. The results are going to be there faster. And on higher ticket items, you're going to have to spend more money to figure out if it's good or bad. The margins on lower ticket items are going to be in the upselling, and if you do things right, you can definitely reach over 30% margins with low ticket dropshipping.
This is how you can start dropshipping with only $50. First, we gotta spend $29 for a Shopify plan, but keep in mind of the 14-day free trial. Then let's head over to Zendrop. This is where we do our product research. Once we find a product we would like to sell, we're gonna check the cost of it. Don't forget about shipping. Make sure to order one for yourself. Then we're gonna buy a domain from GoDaddy for $3. Check this out, I found the same product on Amazon for $24. Let's add the product to our store and mark up the price so we make $22 per sale. Head over to TikTok, we're gonna put our website in the bio. Now make videos with the product we ordered before to advertise and drive traffic. Make sure you follow to learn more.
Well, first of all, she forgot the product cost because I don't know where she got the product from, but obviously she bought it. So that's an extra cost. But besides that, this whole thing is not reality. Like, you're not going to be able to start a business with $50. It's not happening. Just get this thought out of your head. Dropshipping is not a low budget business. You will fail and you will have to spend money. It's a real business. You're going to need a bunch of things. Even the cheapest way of starting dropshipping, which is definitely TikTok organic, you're still going to have a bunch of expenses. You need to have good lighting. You need to learn how to go viral. And that's also definitely going to come for a price, because either you need to buy courses or mentoring programs, or you're going to pay with your time. Because whenever you're spending time, you could also spend that time on a regular job and make actual money from it. And basically, if it takes you a year to figure out how to do things by yourself, versus if you not learn from your own mistakes, but actually get a coach who's going to guide you through the process, it's going to be much faster. And that whole year of time, you saved yourself and you also start making money way earlier. But besides that, don't ever have this expectations of starting a business without investing. An investment is always going to be needed. So if you want me to guide you through your dropshipping journey from A to Z, you can click the link below and sign up for a call with me. We're going to find out if everything is a good fit. And if yes, I'm just going to tell you how to pick a good product, make a good store, run good ads, go viral on TikTok, or do paid advertisement, and also how to scale and brand your business. So click the link below and I talk to you soon.